SVG.io is a cool web-based text prompt to SVG tool that prioritizes user accessibility by providing a free and straightforward experience. The platform eliminates the need for user registration, ensuring a seamless process without watermarks or restrictions on SVG generation. The platform empowers users to generate SVG images seamlessly, without incurring any costs, providing a worry-free environment by eliminating concerns about hidden fees or charges. Exploring daily limits, SVG.io adopts a user-centric approach by offering unlimited opportunities for SVG image generation. There are no imposed restrictions on the number of SVGs users can create each day. The SVG images created on the platform are fully available for commercial use. Users hold complete rights to leverage these images in various projects. However, SVG.io emphasizes the importance of cautious usage when incorporating elements such as specific fonts or graphics. This great tool encourages users to explore the capabilities of AI in graphic design without constraints, fostering a community where creativity flourishes without hindrance. The platform's narrative underscores its dedication to simplicity, accessibility, and the unhindered pursuit of creative expression. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to support us in our efforts to keep improving.